Electricity Part 2. Sources of electrical current. It comes from the environment of an electrical charge. There will be a steady flow of power until the charge is neutralized. It is also created by a changing other energy into electrical power. Electricity can be made by using other sources of energy, such as nuclear power, chemical power, solar power, mechanical energies, and heat energy. The following are some examples of sources of electrical current. Number 1. Dry cell battery. It changes the chemical energy into electric power. The dry cell battery is in a tube shape and produces about 1.5 volts, but the one in a square shape produces about 9 volts. We can get a higher voltage if we connect them together in line. When the dry batteries are finished, they cannot be recharged. However, there is a modern type of battery that can be reused many times by recharging it. It is so-called a rechargeable battery. Number 2. Car battery or acid battery. It changes the chemical power into electric power. A car battery is very big and heavy because it has a lot of pieces of lead and sulfuric acid inside the battery. It produces about 12 volts and can be recharged and used for many years. Number 3. Solar cell. It changes solar power or heat and light received from the sun into electrical power. Solar cells are often used in small things like calculators and clocks, but it is also used by spacecraft and satellites. Number 4. Heat coupling. If we connect two different types of metal wire which are at very different temperatures, an electrical current will flow between them. The amount of the current depends on the difference of temperature at each end. This process is called heat coupling. Number 5. Dynamo or generator. Michael Faraday is the British scientist who invented the dynamo. It changes mechanical energy into electric power. Dynamos in a power station produce electrical current which is thereafter sent into houses, factories, and public buildings. In Thailand, houses uses about 220 volts of power. Electrical current is made by rotating coil of wire in a magnetic field. This process is called magnetic induction. Electricity can be made by water power, wind power, solar power, nuclear power, coal, oil, and gas-fired turbines or dynamos.
Generation of electric giant. Every time we step ahead, every time in your mind. Watch us moving to the sound, never losing control. Just let the body begin. You rock your body and soul. Generation of electric giant. Every time we step ahead, every time in your mind. Watch us moving to the sound, never losing control. Just let the body begin. You rock your body and soul.